don't have two opinions. Sacrifice or repentance. We continue on our topic on fire and the rains, the two manifestations, the two dimensions and manifestation of the Holy Spirit. We've talked much on fire. We'd like to talk on the rains. Now I will dwell much on what could be the factors that can affect the outpouring of the rains. What can usher us into the season of the outpouring of the rains. So we are going to look at this man, no other than Elijah. We hear in Israel there was dryness, there was famine in the land, no rains for almost 3.5 years. But what we see is Elijah calling all the Baal prophets to come to the Mount Carmel, where he had to prove, to say, if Baal is God, let him prove, then we are going to worship him. If the God of Israel is God, then we'll bow down to worship him. So they organized themselves and they came to this place, Mount Carmel. Elijah did some things that led to the open heavens, and fire fell down, and later on we see also the rains coming. Number one, what we see, Elijah is asking these 450 Baal prophets, why do you have two opinions? Why do you have two opinions? You cannot serve two masters at once. It's either you abandon the other or you serve the other. So one of the things that we are required is to have one opinion. We must know the God that we serve. Double-minded people are not necessarily required. It's one thing to be in the Lord and another thing to be in the world. The Bible speaks, we are in this world, but we are not of this world. So we must make a decision whether to serve the true living God or to serve the devil. We must be sought out. If we are to experience the fire and the rains, we must be sought out to God and allow him to prevail, to purify us, to sink into us. And then we are going to experience the fire and the rains. Glory to Jesus.